In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix or resolve if scroll bars are not always showing on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, go back with settings, go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select visual effects. Where it says always show scroll bars at the top, toggle this to the on position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.